Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.